Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to join now. First, confirm the iPhone host opened Facetime and tapped Create Link. That link is what you'll receive. Once you get the link, open it in Chrome or Edge on Android because those browsers handle the Facetime web client best. Tap Allow when the browser asks for camera and microphone. Without permissions, you can't send audio or video. Enter a display name so participants recognize you. Once those bits are set, you're in the waiting room and visible to the host when they admit you. After you press Join, the page loads a preview so you can check lighting and background. Make sure your face fits the frame and audio levels are stable. Once the host admits you, use the on-screen microphone and camera icons to mute, unmute, or pause video. These controls are immediate. If the wrong camera is active, open the browser's three-dot menu, pick Settings, then Site Settings to switch cameras. Make sure the correct device is selected. Remember, bandwidth affects quality. Switch to Wi-Fi. To finish, tap Leave. You can rejoin with the same link if the host keeps the call open. If the host needs you to invite someone, copy the FaceTime link from the browser address bar and paste it into a message. Simple and fast. If things go wrong, first check browser camera and mic permissions, then reload the page. Make sure you're on a supported browser and a stable network connection. If audio is still missing, unplug Bluetooth headsets and retry, since pairing sometimes blocks the phone mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.